Welcome to CWC Art and Soul with Catherine. Well, hello. I hope you are doing well. I thought I'd play paint with some reds tonight. Reds and whites, actually. I seem to be drawn to those colors lately. Wink, wink. This one is called Never Underestimate the Red and White. Both colors have so much potential, and of course, it is the color of my flag. The painting is a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and the process is multimedia. Several layers and dry time in between. I sped up the video in places because it was fairly long, and it's a long process waiting for paint to dry. Although it is also very relaxing and enjoyable for me. I hope it is for you too. I used drywall repair paste for some of the texture, several layers of red, and different tones of red, some deeper than others. One is a garnet metallic red, and the other is just a deep Christmassy red, is what they call it, as well as white and titanium white, and a very small amount of light blue, just to get the soft shades in the horizon parts of the painting. It reminds me of a fantasy of a rushing red river flowing down from a dreamy skyline with some mountains in the distance. But it can be whatever you want it to be, but that's what it seems to be to me. I think you'll be able to see what I'm doing, so I won't give you a long explanation here. You can see the close-ups and the dry results at the end, of course, on my curing wall in particular, and I've also included a couple of other paintings that are also in this red and white series. Links for my So Fantastic fashion line and the art shop on my website are in the description below. I appreciate your comments if you wish to share with me so much. And a big thank you to all who subscribe and like the videos. Okay, let's get painting. Let's have some fun. Thanks so much for watching. This is a video of the 3 in the red and white series. The one on the left hand side, there's already a video up for True North, Strong and Free. The one in the middle, Little Red and White, will be coming soon, and all the links are in the description below. So thanks so much again, and have an awesome day, night, wherever you are. Take care.